Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to check your CPU temperature in your computer. So for this you have to go to a browser and then you have to search for the HWinfo64 in here. Then you have to choose the first web page from here and wait a couple of seconds here to get loaded. After that you have to choose the installer from here. Then you have to choose the free download option and then you have to click on the source force, and after you click on it, it will get start to download automatically. Then you have to simply install it there, and then here you can see the downloaded file is already in my here, so I am showing you accordingly. Then you have to click on it, then you have to choose OK, then you have to choose next, then you have to choose I accept the agreement from here, then you have to choose next again, then you have to choose the install option from here. Then you have to wait couple of seconds, then you have to select the launch HWinfo64, then you have to click on the finish. After that you have to wait for a couple of seconds, then you have to wait again, then you have to click on the start option from here, then it will take a couple of seconds again, and we're waiting for getting it finished. Then the first thing you have to do is close this window, then you have to close this window, and then you have to click on the sensors. After that it will take some time, and then here you can see the temperature of CPU. Here it is CPU, and if we go download right below, you can see the CPU core temperature is 69 degrees Celsius, and CPU package and other temperature you can show in details here. And here is another CPU core, you can see here is all the temperature it's showing now. So that's how you can check your temperature in your computer of your CPU. So thank you very much for watching this video. So